Hello students, today we are going to discuss the MCQs and PYQs of our topic human health and disease. In this topic we are going to cover the 2 points health and common diseases in humans. So first MCQ, for the prevention and control of malaria the most important measure is, यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं और सभी जो मेजर्स दिए हैं मलेरिया प्रिवेंट और कंट्रोल के लिए ये सभी करेक्ट है, लेकिन इनमें से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो सी है, टू कंट्रोल और एलिमिनेट द वेक्टर्स एंड देयर ब्रीडिंग प्लेसेस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आवर आंसर इज सी. सेकंड एमसीक्यू, डिसेंट्री इज कॉज्ड बाय, सो आंसर इज एंटामीबा हिस्टोलाइटिका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. कॉलम फर्स्ट में 4 डिसीज के नेम दिए हैं और उनके करेक्ट पॉजिटिव एजेंट्स यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट करना है. तो फर्स्ट है टाइफाइड, सो टाइफाइड इज कॉज्ड बाय साल्मोनेला टाइफी, तो ये जो आंसर है यहाँ पे डी में दिया है फोर्थ वन. मलेरिया बाय प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवैक्स थर्ड वन. निमोनिया बाय हिमोफिलस इन्फ्लुएंजी फर्स्ट, एंड फिलेरियासिस बाय बुचेरिया बैनक्रॉफ्टिस सेकंड. सो ऑल द करेक्ट आंसर्स आर हियर इन डी ऑप्शन एंड देयरफॉर आवर आंसर इज डी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इन्फेक्शियस स्टेज ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम दैट एंटर्स द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज, so our answer is sporozoites. So sporozoites are nothing but the infectious stage of the plasmodium. जब फीमेल इन्फेक्टेड फीमेल एनाफिलस मॉस्किटो हेल्दी पर्सन को बाइट करती है उस वक्त वो हेल्दी पर्सन के ब्लड में स्पोरोजोइड्स रिलीज करती है. दैट्स व्हाई आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर मेंटेनिंग गुड हेल्थ आर, आंसर इज डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. बैलेंस डाइट, personal hygiene, regular exercise. That's why our answer is D. The next question, which is caused by virus? So answer is C, polio. All these three are the bacterial diseases, typhoid, tuberculosis and diphtheria, and polio is caused by polio virus. Next question, incubation period of plasmodium vivax is, answer is C, 12 to 17 days. तो plasmodium vivax को स्पोरोजोइड जो इन्फेक्शियस फॉर्म है वो डेवलप करने के लिए 12 to 17 डेज लगता है, जिसे इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कॉमनेस्ट बैक्टीरियल डिसीज? सो हियर tuberculosis, C option. All these three are the viral diseases and commonest disease in human being is the tuberculosis. Next question, which disease has been totally eradicated from India? So answer is smallpox. Smallpox, very fatal disease. It has been completely cured and eradicated from our nation by use of vaccination program. Another question, ringworm is caused by fungus. So here answer is A, 1 and 2, microsporum and trichophyton. That's why our answer is A. Then next question, common cold is not cured by antibiotics because it is caused by a virus. Because antibiotics, they do not have any action on viruses and therefore antibiotics are not used to cure the viral diseases, because common cold is the viral disease which is not cured by the antibiotics, and that's why our answer is C. Next question, internal bleeding, muscular pain, blockage of the intestinal passage and anemia are some of the symptoms caused due to the infection by A, Wucheria, B, Trichophyton, C, Ascaris and D, Plasmodium. So this infection is caused by Ascaris helminths, which causes disease Ascaris, and all these symptoms are the disease Ascaris is caused by helminths Ascaris, and that's why our answer is C. Next question, the mature infective stage of malarial parasite which are transferred from mosquito to man are sporozoids. So sporozoids are nothing but the infectious stage of plasmodium which is transferred from infected mosquito to human being. So answer is A. The next question, Vidal test is performed to confirm typhoid. So Vidal test is nothing but the diagnostic test which is used to confirm the disease typhoid in human being. Another question, Plasmodium vivax causes disease malaria in human being. That's why answer is A. Next question, blood circulation was discovered by, answer is A, William Harvey. William Harvey, he discovered the process of blood circulation in human being, and that's why our answer is A. Last question, what are the benefits of being healthy? All the options for this question are correct and therefore our answer is D.